Missed it. They're a bit hard, like a tog.
I think there's some little tog in here. Got some ball stolen and came up.
See, I can catch them from the boat too. Oh, he got off. That's okay. Oh, let's grab the net. See if I can land this guy. Man, this is hard to do. I don't know how Jesse does it by himself. That long pole. Come on. Oh my gosh, I got it. That's a pain. I guess that's why you fish with buddies. That's why you fish with buddies. It's hard to fish by yourself. That's a nice sheep's head. Well, there you go. I got one from the boat. 22. Yeah, I'm gonna guess 22. Let's see. Quick, before I release them. Yep, 22 and a half. That's a nice sheep's going back. So what I do is when I approach a piling like this, I'll just get up to it and slowly approach it. And I just start cutting power. And I know this current, I need like 3.5 to 4 power just to hold it. And then once I get next to it, I just try to keep that current and then basically just right and left. Keep that nose right there. Two and a half power. I got him. And then that's it. Now just right, and I'll take off the power, and I should just float right back. That was easy. That went way better than I thought it was gonna. But yeah, this should be a nice sheep. Oh, he's really going. Nice. I'm killing it, Dan. Oh, we doubled up? Hey, what? We doubled up? Here we go. What the heck? Come on. Uh-oh. Maybe he's got a longer net with the longer pole. There, jeez. It's another nice sheeps. This is the kind I wanted to eat earlier, like 1920s. But we got a limit already. It's my third one from the boat. All right, let's go to a different one. Here we go. Got him. Got him. Okay. Still got him. Oh, that's a nice one. It's hard to tell on these poles, they're so big. Oh, get away from trail motor. Or I just spot lock it here. Should be safe. Hey, this is more fun than the kayak.
I got a limit off one column.
Oh yeah? Whew! This is hard work.
Yeah, man.
Like the...
I got a 25-incher. That one ran like a black drum, bro. Hey, and I see something else crazy too. A sheep followed my sheep up.
Oh really?
All
Wow.
the way to the kayak, those two sheep.
Man, it's crazy over here. I caught five. I caught five.
I want you to, me too.
In the boat.
I want you to get me on film, get one.
All right, here. Maybe not there. Oh, you know what I missed? A trigger.
Oh, you're seeing trigger.
No, I caught it. He popped off. It was a nice one too. Yeah, that's nice. And what's nice is this is a nice one. These are like 19s, 20s. All right, let's go. First drop.
First drop of the day.
New piling. First drop of the day at 1 o'clock. When we're supposed to leave, when we're supposed to leave after we got our limit. 30 fish later. No, I think it's like noon. Oh, there you go. Who taught you how to do that? Oh, wow. Hey, it's easier to net in the it's easier to net in the kayak, right?
You recording?
Yeah, I'm trying to get closer. Hold on.
You recording your phone?
I gotta look back at the trolling motor.
No, you don't. Get it off.
Huh? I'm trying to look like I don't want to. I'm trying to get over here. There we go.
Damn.
You're so far away in the. That is a nice one.
Oh. Another 25.
No. 23. Hey, look over this big wave behind you. Like it's big.
All right.
Like there's 3.
All right. Whoa.
Like there's big swells. What's going on here?
Oh. All right. Let's
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here they come.
All right. Let's get a picture.
I'm a spot lock here.
My little flossing with the net there.
Are you gonna give these people?
Nah,
Oh, give it to them. They'll appreciate it.
nah, she's a dinosaur. No, he knows how to catch them. He caught some.
Oh, yeah. Do you want a picture with what? A phone?
Just I'm gonna hold him up.
And you want me, you think I can take a picture of my GoPro?
Yeah.
I'm an idiot. No, there's no way. You see my video? Oh!
That was even better.
Yeah. You actually think I can take a picture with my GoPro? Have you seen my videos? Come on.